say art is expression.
No, art is confession.
And the artists of Negros Oriental don't just create, they confess.
Every stroke,
Every card,
every color is a truth they could never say out loud. This is Mukna. This is where truth lives.
What's up, y'all? Here we are at Mugna, Valencia. And kapoy jud ang biyahe, guys. Diba, Raisa?
Project Kaiser. Nexa, how did you depart the ID ng Doma?
Uy, guys. First time diyan ako, naka-jeepney na ko.
Then, how was it?
Kanagpilan na 20, nakabot na ko sa Mugna. Abot na to. Tara, nakanta, Pilipinas.
Makuhay, Bet! Alin na!
Muna in Visaya, it means paghimo or to create. 4 years ago, Sir Vincent Lopez and Sir George Kun turned their own home into something bigger than walls and windows. They turned it into a heartbeat for artists. June 4, 2022, Mugna Gallery was born. And in that first year, every single peso from sales went straight to the artist. Not half, all of it. Because this wasn't about profit. This was about pagtama. About lifting up the hands that carve, paint, and bleed onto the canvas.
Para ba? Char. But let's be real. This place is all heavy emotions and deep stares at paintings. Walk around Mugna and you'll find some wild stuff. Like there's a sculpture that looks like it's judging you. It's a photo that makes you do a double take. And if you go down to the basement,
All you visual art that hits different. Like stepping into someone's feather dream, but in the best way possible. Sir Vincent and Sir George didn't just build a gallery. They built a playground for creativity. You never know what you're gonna see next. One corner is very cluttered. Turn around, boom. Bold in your face, colors screaming at you. It's organized chaos. It's, let me paint an hour, satisfying to look at. And honestly, that's the vibe. Art doesn't have to be serious all the time. Sometimes it just has to make you stop, smile, and say, wait, what am I even looking at right now? Serious when it used to be. Fun when you least expect it.
Some artists find their voice in color, others in chaos. Ray Labarreto found his in silence, with nothing but the wooden stick and the ground beneath him. 15 years later, during a pandemic that stopped the world, he found his signature, a dove, born from the pigeons of Valencia's plaza. Now, every piece he creates doesn't just hang on the wall. It breathes, it waits, it remembers. This is Ray Labarento, and this is his confession.
Ngayong hapon, yung I'm Flumen Ray Labarento. Dahil ang ginala na artist name is Ray Labarento. I'm taga Congo, Valencia po, taga Kalayugan. Dahil sa mga karagalan sa akong show sa karon is kaning thread nga material. So based sa inyo nakita is canvas threads on paper and canvas. So wala akong ginatrabaho nabud karon, pero if wala yung mga ingani nga show is magpinaning video ang medium, so mag-sketch ko anak. So pero paano to siya ng murag journal, so mag-sketch ko. So pero if na-show yun is kani nga material, kaning thread. Ni enroll ko sa Foundation University is 2012. So dayon hindi ko sure if artist na ba ato or gagagama ng art, pero kasi matawag na itong artist dito kasi ko ang pag-artist pa. Bason. Bason na yan. So di wala na ba? So wala na panong self na artist na po. Bason ka itong time. Science na ba? Like sa Utah. So naikakoy, yung Utah. Form sa siguro mo to ang mga unang move nga ni create of something ba. So siguro kato nga mga patahon or stage sa life katong bata pa ba, pero wala pa to sa akong mind ang art. Siguro fun rap, something boy ko barkada, draw something right.
That's the thing about art. It doesn't need to be loud to leave a mark. Ray Labarento proved that. One wooden stick, one dove, 15 years of stories carved into every piece. His work doesn't scream for attention. It waits for you to feel it. And once you do, you don't forget. That's Ray. That's Muna. That's the truth bleeding through.
That's Ray Labarento. 15 years of creating, 15 years of finding stories in silence. And out of all those years, out of all those pieces, there's one that stands above the rest right now. This is Love Dove, created in 2024, 11.7 inches in height, 8.3 inches in width. It costs 24,000 pesos, but the price doesn't tell you why it matters. What matters is the plaza. Ray visits the Valencia Plaza twice a week, and every time he sees them, doves, not just one or two, so many, gathering, moving, living, and he couldn't look away anymore. So he painted it. Love Dove become more than just another piece with his signature bird.
Kaning white, yung naikuhan ba? Naibigyon. Kuhan siya ng muna pinaka raw mga artwork sa show. So tungod na ng artwork is makita sa viewer ba ang process. So ang process niya is white siya yun. So una white siya tanan.
But Ray doesn't just paint dogs, he paints life. And life for him includes simple truth, food. This is Yummy Silog, created in 2025 with a 7.79 inches in height and 5.78 inches in width. But here's what makes it different. It's not just one painting, it's two. The first shows the table before the silog arrives, empty, waiting. The second shows the moment the order is given. The plate, the rice, the egg, and the meat. Two moments, one story. Because every time Ray travels, he eats, and every meal becomes a memory. Yummy Silog isn't just about food. It's about the pause before satisfaction, the hunger before the feast, the waiting before the taste. That Ray, he doesn't just see pigeons call it art. He sees breakfast and makes it unforgettable.
Like nature and sa imong artwork.
Kuan, as a as ang taga-Valencia is kani siguro nine times sa akong life nga high school life ana so sige pagtambay mo is plaza gud dayon nami tawgon mi sa mga murag katang sa society o sa community murag dai mo siya night term nga tasaboy nga tasaboy inspired siya sa Plaza Boy ba? Kaning nga series, kaning nga mga tag pares-pares ba?
Kining novel.
Oh, okay. Kaning uban, kaning halos na dere is kaning siya 2024. So kaning nga mga artworks is kan siya kanang after na ba? So after na sa makita ni mga transition ba medyo ni colorful siya. Ayun, akong naka-decide yung pares-pares ba. So, di ko sure of night. Siguro ang top ay nga series is kaning sa hababan. Kanang may mga silog ba. Oh, so, part siya sa akong panbod. Kaning travel din ako sa aming journey ba.
15 years, hundreds of pieces, countless stories told need silence. Ray Labarento has seen what it takes to survive as an artist, not just to create, but to keep creating. And now he has something to say, not to collectors, not to critics, but to those ones just starting. The ones holding a pencil for the first time and wondering if it's worth it. This is his message.
Siguro ang ma-share ma-solidarize kanang enjoy ang process or ang journey pud ba. So for example mag-art ka ron yung along the way kung siguro art maka-discover ka ba of something mga ideas, ana ba? So, dili siya instant. So, proseso siya ba? Siguro, ang biggest advice is never give up lang yun. Sa imong, dream. Okay, kung mag-give up ka na, lain na ba yung dream? So, yan na.
Hi, my name is Flores. I am a visual artist based here in Dumaguete, and I've been exhibiting in Manila and also in Dumaguete. And my advice for young and aspiring artists is to never stop creating things, even if they suck, and never stop learning. So, never stop creating and never stop learning. Yeah, always be humble.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ada Katina. I am an aspiring artist as well. So, one thing I want to share for those people who are also like me, just follow your heart, follow your passion. Whatever it is, whatever it takes, just follow your heart. That's all.
Hi, ako si Michael Cataya. Isa ka ceramic artist sa Teresa Dumaguete. And nag-base ko before sa Taro. But ngayon, nanan ko yung own studio sa Teresa Talay. So, 2 years na. And message and advice siguro nga kumatag sa mga bagong practice karon. Like, continue lang explore and ayaw ka kontento sa medium and ayaw ka kontento sa tanong utang and more practice every day para mas kabalo mas kung yung mga ganang and sa mga works na lalo mga inspiration.
So Kaiser, what's something you have learned throughout this vlog?
Well, what I learned today is that art is what we learn from our everyday lives. We see it, we live it, and that is how we hold it. Live every day, explore life. And today, I am inspired.
They say art is expression, but we learned something different here today.
Art is confession. And Mugna, this place, is where those confessions come to life.